All right, this is Bob from Virginia Cage Fighting Championships. Can you tell me your name and where you're from?
David Wayne Elkins. I'm from Roanoke City.
All right, and you're going to be fighting on September the 20th against Corey Epperly, light heavyweight bout. Tell me what you've been doing to prepare for this fight.
I've been going to the boxing gym, working on my speed, my cardio, my accuracy. Me and a couple people that I know, we've been doing mat work, doing jiu-jitsu, training on my wrestling, because I'm sure it's going to be some wrestling involved. I'm prepared, I'm ready.
All right. So how do you see this fight going for you? What do you think are, some of your strong points as far as fighting goes?
Well, my strong points is striking, standing up striking. And the way I feel about this fight, we're both from the same neighborhood, we're both from the same hometown. There's a lot of people that's going to go for him, there's a lot of people that's going to go for me. So it's basically Southeast versus Southeast. No hard feelings, I got respect for the guy, but we're going to go in there and we're going to bang.
All right, and anything else you want to say to your fans out there? September the 20th, Danville Demolition 3?
Come out and support me. I appreciate everybody that came out the last time to support me. And it's going to be a good show and a good fight.
All right, we'll see you there September 20th, Danville Demolition 3.